This video will walk you through creating an MLA style annotated bibliography. First and foremost, you should check that all of your margins are set to 1 inch. If you're unsure about this, come up to File, Page Setup, and ensure that all of these numbers say 1 so you have 1 inch margins. Next, check that your MLA heading is using the proper format, which means that you have your full name, your instructor's name, your class, and don't forget your section, and the date that your assignment is due. Next, write on the next line. So you only want to hit enter or return once. You're going to put your title. And you'll notice that this title is centered and it's not underlined, bolded, italicized, or in quotations. You don't want to change the format of your title unless you are quoting or you're using the title of another published work. If this is your original title and you're not published yet, then you want to leave the formatting to match the rest of the paper. Next, we have to insert some page numbers. You can see that they're left out here. So we're going to come up to this panel and click Insert, Page Number, and then MLA uses the top right-hand corner. So we're going to move the cursor to the front of the number to the left-hand side and write the student's last name and put 1 space between. As soon as that's ready, you're going to click Out. And we also have to change our font. So we're going to press Control-All to select all. And we're going to change the font to Times New Roman, size 12, because we're always sure that that fits within MLA formatting standards. While we have everything selected, we should also change the spacing. So you come up here to the spacing and click double. This makes everything readable and a little bit more spaced out. It's a little bit easier for us. This includes your heading as well, even though it does take up quite a bit of space. Next, we need to create a hanging indent. So you'll notice that each of the citations are in alphabetical order. You want to make sure that you do that first. To create the hanging indent, you select all of the text and then you come up here to your ruler, and this is where we're going to create it. So first, you want to take your indent and move it to the 1/2 inch mark. So you'll see when you hover, that 0.5 show up, and then you can let go of it and you'll see the indent moves with us. Because this is a hanging indent, we need to move this first line back. So we're going to just move the top part of this. Oops. Back so it says 0.0. And then we're going to move this guy back. Right? And this is how you create a hanging indent. Each one of your citations should follow this format. So be sure to check in with a resource such as the Purdue OWL, the online writing lab, or even go old school and check one of the MLA citation formatting books in the back of the room out. So I hope that this helps you. Let me know if you need any guidance at all. Good luck.